Rồi.
Hey everyone, this is Numi and Lucas here to do an unboxing for
Hello,
you.
Lucas. Hello.
Hi, Kong. Say hi. Hi. Alright, let's open up this box and see what's inside. Fist. Yeah.
Không phải bát phơm đâu rồi.
So we have.
Wow, cái này mà cũng để hot hơn nhiều vậy.
So it's the we got the.
Cái tài.
So inside the box, let's see what we have. Lush and Lazy. What's that? Hand towel. Lush and Lazy face cloth. Lush and Lazy socks. And Lush and Lazy pajamas. Trousers and pajamas. Alright,
Sao hai
let's.
cái này không có?
Oh.
Mà Lucas
Piece
lấy,
of-
Lucas lấy.
Okay. Oh.
Ui.
Okay. Whoa! Biofilm everywhere. Wow. So this is the pajama trousers. This is size extra small. Wow. Kind of big for extra small. So this says hello.
Whoa.
Hello, new friend. Whoa.
Lucas
Okay.
thôi kìa. Các bạn Lucas kìa.
We'll look through this later. This is the extra small pajama shirt. Wow, let's see. So this is Lush collaboration with Lazy Oaf from the UK.
Dạ.
This is the small shirt.
Lucas lấy nữa Lucas.
Lucas, let's come đây.
Ủa sao giống nhau vậy ba?
This is the trouser small. What else? Ooh, you have. Wow.
Để thôi Lucas.
This is the
Cho Lucas,
sock
cho
pack.
Lucas, cho
Okay,
Lucas.
Marty, wanna open it? Open it. Pop it.
Có gì không?
No, not that bomb.
Nó về phát bom thôi. Một cái hộp đẹp vậy.
Lush Crust Lazy. It's inside. Wow, socks. Yeah. Wow.
Được đúng không?
Looks really nice.
Ôi khui một cái thôi, khui gì hết rồi.
Okay. Wow. Okay, we're gonna open them all. Now, Lazy. We have one more. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Cái hộp giống hộp chocolate.
Okay, I'll put this aside.
Trời kìa luôn lấy ra.
What's this? This is the hand towel. Ooh,
Hết rồi.
nice.
Còn không?
Oh, no, one more. We have one more. We have the face towel.
Hết chưa? No more.
Let's open this up and see what. Let's look at it. Let's look at it now. Okay. Let's look at it now. Ooh.
Nó đầy.
So each one has this one and this one.
Ra đi.
Hả?
Đợi bát bom.
No, I didn't buy any bath bombs. I only bought the merchandise. So let's check inside. Wow, look at that. So one side is a white bubble. The other side is a blue bubble. Wow, look at this one. This is Lush Crust Lazy. And
Hết rồi.
that's everything.
Kìa, bye bye.
Alright, bye con. We'll see you all next time.
Bye
Bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Meow.